Hello everyone, in this video we will introduce a new FortiOS feature, VDOM support for replacement message images. Previously in FortiOS, the replacement message image was supported only at the global scope, meaning all VDOMs shared the same image. This new feature in FortiOS extends support to both global and per-VDOM scopes, allowing each VDOM to manage its own image while maintaining clear inheritance and isolation from the global setting. Let's get into the demo. First, let's see the new replacement messages page under the System tab. This page is restructured into two tab groups, Message and Image. This separation gives clarity and makes it easier to manage message and image content independently. Next, let's create an image under Global. The important change here is name prefix validation. Images created in the global scope must start with the G prefix. So as you can see, we get a warning to add the G prefix here. Let's add that and then upload an image. As mentioned earlier, the replacement message image is now available in both global and VDOM. So let's go to VDOM-2 to check this. Here, we can see that global entries are read-only when viewed from within a VDOM. Objects inherited from global are displayed with a lock icon, and the edit and delete buttons are disabled. This prevents accidental modification of global configurations in a VDOM. Now let's create a replacement message image under this VDOM. We'll give it a name and then upload an image. Now let's switch to another VDOM named root. We can see that VDOM root has inherited objects from global, but is isolated from objects of VDOM2, as the image of VDOM2 is invisible here. Now let's create a replacement message image in this VDOM. So we will give it a name and upload an image. Our newly created replacement message image for this VDOM can be seen here. Now let's use this new image to replace the default image shown in the login page. Let's go to the Message tab, select Login Page, and click on Edit to change the login message. Here, we can update this message by editing the HTML and update it with this new image. So here, I'm replacing the default one. On the left, we can see that we have updated the login message with this new image. Let's save this. After this login page update, if you are logging in from an interface in VDOM root, you will see this new login message image. Let's test this. Here we are logging in from a remote device to the interface of VDOM root. As expected, we can see this new login message that belongs to VDOM root being displayed here. Now, if we log in from the remote device to VDOM2, we see another login message image that belongs to VDOM2. Lastly, let's look at the new image list view. You will notice two new columns here, Scope and In Use. Scope indicates whether the image belongs to global or VDOM. In Use shows whether the image is currently referenced by any replacement message. These columns make it much easier to understand ownership and the usage at a glance. With this, we conclude our video where we've learned about the new replacement message images in FortiOS 8.0. Thanks for watching.